Hello everyone, Groove and Chip here. I wanted to make a video about the new material design open source library from Google for Android. Um, I previously tried to use this library when Google first released it a couple of weeks ago at Google I/O. I had a lot of problems with it. And I figured I would just wait a little bit and see if some of the kinks could get ironed out. So I took a look at their GitHub page earlier today, and it looked like the library might have been updated, so I think I will give it a shot again. To do this, I need to use Android Studio, the beta of Android Studio instead of the stable version. You can run it alongside the stable version, so I'm going to just, where the hell is it again? I don't remember. I think it's in Program Files. Yeah, Program Files, Android Studio Preview, and I think it's in Bin. Studio 64, that's what I want, because I've got a 64-bit computer. What's happening here? Is anything happening? Huh. Try again. Hello? It might be opening then up in my other. I'm going to laugh if it's in my other desktop window. There it is. Ha! That's, of course, it would be there. So we're just waiting for Android Studio to finally open itself. Hope you all are having a nice day or afternoon or evening wherever you are. Come on. All right. Now I'm going to just move it over here. Nice. Okay. I'm going to start a new Android project just as like a little demo, I guess. Yeah, we're going to be material design demo. Stupid fingers. Okay, I'm not including any C++ support. I never understood really how you could use C++ in Android anyway. I'm not including Kotlin support because I have not learned Kotlin yet. Maybe I will try and do that on this channel. Minimum API support, I guess. I think we're going to run into a little bit of a problem when using the new material design libraries. I think they require a later API than 15. So, whatever. I think I just want a blank activity. Can I not make a blank activity? Empty activity. Well, you know, it's over here. You can see it's a little late at night. Well, it's late for me. I worked the whole day today. So, yeah, empty activity. Call it main activity. We must include backwards compatibility. You want to do it anyway, but I know that the new material design library requires app compat. So I clicked finish and nothing seems to be happening. Oh, there we go. I'm not super patient, so I guess that's something I need to get better at. By the way, if any of these weird, like if any loud Windows noises happen in the video, I'm not 100% sure how, like, all the volume levels of everything. So if you could leave a comment or something letting me know if any noises like that are too loud, then I will see what I can do about it. All right, here is main activity, and I stupidly remember that I didn't specify where the storage path on my machine. Well, whatever. Gradle is running. While that's happening, let's pop into GitHub. Oh, GitHub's already open over here. It looks like I started Flutter. Didn't I pin something? I thought I had on my phone. I use the app Fast Hub. It's a GitHub client. It's in the Play Store. You can check it out if you feel like it. And I thought I pinned the Google material design. All right. GitHub. You know what? I can just search here. I said that this would be unedited, unfiltered, mad ramblings and adventures of a developer. And it is late at night, and I'm kind of tired, so I will not always do things that make sense. I lose my train of thought a lot. It's the consequence of being as busy as I am. What do I want? Material design Android. I think they called it something like that. I can never remember anything. Google material design icons. Oh, come on. Shouldn't this ought to show up? I know I can find it on Google. I bet you it's going to show up in material components. That's what I want. Oh, that's web. There it is. Android. I found it. It happened already. I also hate when icons are glowing. I want getting started. Yes. So we need to depend on the library in step 1. Open build.gradle. Make sure repositories includes the Maven. So I will copy that. Go back to Android Studio. Find build.gradle. I can never remember which one it's supposed to be. They really should rename it. I know that it kind of hints what's what over here, and but I can never remember which one is which just from looking at it. For your application, so the app, yes. What the? It's freezing. There we go. Let's close that. In the, where is it again? Wait a minute. Nope. This is not the right one. This is it. It's for the project. This is the top level Gradle. Okay. It's in the all projects. Sometimes things will be a little laggy because Android Studio can be very slow. Okay. Next, in the dependencies, why are they still using compile? They're supposed to have changed to implementation. Shame on you, Google. What am I doing again? Oh, yes. Now I need this one. Put it here. com.google.android material 1.0 alpha. Part of the, okay, we have to target Android P. Yes, compile with Android P. Okay, I happen to know that you just do Android P. Target SDK version is P capital. Wait a minute. Yes, it's capital P, isn't it? Gotta double check it. Okay. Target Android P. Not Android Pay. Updated. Okay. Oh, come on. Where is it? Basic compatible. Okay. Set up the SDK. That's what I want. You are probably seeing me as I do these things and mess up. You're probably like, no, Groove and Chip, that's the wrong thing. Go to the other one. Okay, they're both capital P. Great. Great. Okay. Good. Now What is happening down there? Indexing. Okay, I don't know why these things take forever. Let's see what happens if I just... Where the hell is the build? Oh, it's not going to let me build it until that's done. Oh, that's fun. Well, I guess I'll take this time to sort of maybe not do anything because suddenly it's going faster. Ha! Classic. Oh, now it's done at 100. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's sync. There's a lot of waiting in software development. Min SDK version. Okay, this is a funky issue that's going on with the Android, like targeting Android P, because it thinks the min SDK version, like it compares the min SDK version here and the target SDK version, and it thinks that like the min SDK can't be greater than the target SDK, and it thinks that the P for target SDK is a number 1. I don't understand it. Whatever. Here we have a problem. This is an older app-compat library. I believe that we can resolve this with, there's like convert to the new libraries. It's Android X as opposed to stuff like this. I know it's around here somewhere. I had to do it the last time that I tried this. Where the freak is it? Tools? Convert to refactor to Android X. Bam, there it is. So it's going to look for anything in this project that is not using the new. I have to review it. Do the refactor. Yeah, see, there we go. The app-compat libraries and this constraint layout library have changed to the new Android X libraries. Let's redo our Gradle sync. Where's the... That's not what I want. I want this. Yes. It's nice that it shows you kind of a live counter of how long it's been running for over here. And all told, this is probably going to take like a minute, I would guess. Oh, it restarted these counters. That's funny. Okay. Half a minute, 29 seconds. That's cool. Yeah, and still have this weird error here. Okay, it's not actually going to affect compiling the application and running it. So, whatever. I've got an Android emulator open here. This is Android P. This is my Flutter thing that I'm working on, rewriting column manager in Flutter, but that is not what we are doing right now. So if this will ever respond to click, yeah, there we go. Okay, this is available for use for this project now. What am I doing now? Okay, now we go look at material components. We need to ensure we're using app-compat activity. So let's go to main activity over here. We are extending app-compat activity. We can close the Gradles. Change the app theme to inherit from material components theme. Okay, right. So to do this, I'll go to the res folder, values, styles.xml, and here we are. You see the parent of our theme is an app-compat theme, which is not what we want. We want theme. Let's try theme.material. Excuse me. Theme.materialcomponents.light. Right. Whoa. Okay. Cannot resolve. See, this is like an example of like this weird create value. Why? There's no reason why it shouldn't understand that this is a theme that we can use. So this is what it's, oh, you have to say theme dot. Oh, okay, that might be it. Okay. Call this test theme And we'll call it theme dot test theme. That did nothing. Might as well undo all of that. Where's the Android manifest? We are using style app theme that exists. Oh, come on. Let's put that over there. Android manifest over there. Here's the styles. The app theme is inheriting. What happens if we do this? Oh, no, I don't want to do that. All right, what happens if we edit all themes in the, okay, maybe this will, if we use the style editor, or the theme editor, maybe this will do it. Theme, material light. Yeah, that looks fine. So what's the problem? Cannot resolve symbol theme. This is so weird. Parent theme. Oh, that says if you're using AppCompat themes. I don't want to use AppCompat themes. I want to use the material themes. If you can't change your theme, but I can change the theme because I'm not depending. This is not an existing app that's depending on an existing theme. What if I just, whoop, that's the wrong Android Studio. What if I just theme.material components, just did that? Nope. What if I use the autocomplete? You would think that theme dot AppCompat. That's not what I want. None of the material stuff is appearing here. I don't know what's up with that. You know what? Hell with it. I'm just gonna, whoops. I'm just gonna put it back, and I'm going to build the project and see what the hell happens. Because there's no reason that this should be a resource linking failed. Resource not found. See, I'm defining it here. I don't understand what the problem is. I guess it has to, let me try with theme.apptheme. Why don't we try that? See, the thing that's annoying about these new libraries that they're in alpha. You can see over here the material. This is these new Android X libraries and the new Google Material library. These are alpha libraries, and that means there's not a huge amount of support because they're alpha. They're new. So let's see if I can take a look into GitHub issues. Let's see if I can look at all the old ones. Okay, provide feature request. I don't want feature requests. I want. Why is no one, see, like, other people don't seem to be having a problem using this library. This was something that I noticed the last time. Will this repo be converted to Kotlin? Huh. It's weird. Like, I posted in the Android dev Reddit that I was having a problem. I think I asked if anybody else was having a problem, and I didn't really get a lot of answers, but I think that whoever did answer wasn't having the problem. Well, the only thing I can think of then is wrong Android Studio again. The only thing I can think of is, can I even think of anything? That's a good question. It wants the style to be, go away. It wants the style to be defined because it can't find it. It's looking for it somewhere. Like, I guess because we're inheriting it. Well, or we're saying that wait a minute. No, the parent is that. I wonder, what if I'm literally just like grasping at straws here? Should not extend itself. All right, well, at least something different happened. What would if... All right, forget that. It was worth a shot. Like I said, I'm grasping at straws. Am I gonna have to use an app compat theme? You can incrementally test material components. New material components attributes. This is really not... This is really annoying. If I can't change my theme. See, you would think that this guide should have something about possible errors, but I guess they just assume whatever, everybody just knows what they're doing and it'll be fine and whatever. But there are people like me who don't always know what they're doing and it's not fine. So I am probably just missing something really obvious to people who are trained to do this. Oh, can't resolve symbol. Okay, well, okay, that's something I've seen before. All right, something else is going on here. Weird stuff. Oh, you know what? Weird stuff like that happens when we can't build the project well enough. So why don't I just go back to app compat and see. And see what happens. Build. And see, there's the red squiggly line under main activity now. Just curious, while this is running, am I able to pause this? I am able to pause this. Wow, that's cool. If you've watched my intro video, you will know I've never done this before. So discovering something like that is pretty neat. Come on. This is why I like Flutter. Flutter has hot reload, and you can just change something and bam, it's in your it's good. So okay, now, yeah, see, there you go. All right, well, I wonder if I can just use material components anyway without like using an app compat theme. Done app compat. Whatever. All right, I wonder if it'll work. Let's see. Add a material component to the app. Let's just try it out. Why the hell not? I'll just copy this. Because why bother typing it out when they already did? I need to put it in the XML. Blah. Okay. I'll replace this hello world text view with this. Oh, no errors. Let's see what happens here. Oh, it's not rendering it. Namespace. We have some XML warnings. Missing classes. I bet that the library. Yep. Couldn't be found. Well, I don't know what to do about that. I imagine, I think that what's going, I'm stupid. Look at that. I didn't actually implement it. Now we shall see. That's probably why we were having a problem with the theme. Da da da. I see. Okay. All my complaining before. I just miss stuff that's like really obvious like that. That's all me. And it is late, and I did have a long day. So maybe I have an excuse, maybe I don't. Oh, Android resource linking failed. What happened? Where? Oh, wait a minute. No, that shouldn't. Oh, okay. Because their code does this has a all right. Their code has a string value in the strings.xml file, and I didn't see that, and I shall replace it with a custom, with a hard-coded string. Test. Why not? All right, here we go again. Again, a lot of waiting, and it's nice that Flutter, like over here in Flutter, I can just hot reload, or even a full restart takes like not even a second. It's pretty neat. Okay, we finished the build successfully. Cool. Maybe now our theme will work. Oh wait, first let me see the render. Oh, render problem. Couldn't resolve. Oh, here we go. What's happening? Oh, nice. Let me run it and see what it looks like. Why is the app bar green? That's weird. I'm repeating myself again, but this is the nice thing about Flutter, that it just runs really fast. You know, it makes me, honestly, it makes me want to abandon traditional Android development completely, but I am not ready for that because Dart is still pretty foreign to me, and I know how stuff works for the most part with Android Studio and with Java. The first programming language I ever learned was Java, so I'm really comfortable with it. And XML, the XML stuff is pretty easy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Success. That makes me, whoa, that makes me really happy. I just pressed backspace. I wanted to, oh my gosh. Android P on my phone, on my Pixel, is not as buggy as this. Okay. Neat. I like it a lot. Last thing before I stop, I'm going to see if the new theme works. Why is it not registering my typing? Come on. Ugh. Theme dot material. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Let's see what that looks like. Let's do a, whatever the hell it's called. I don't remember. Instant run. Yeah, instant run is what it's called, not hot reload. Hot reload is for Flutter. Instant run is for traditional Android development. Except that it totally redid it, probably because of the new theme and nothing. Oh, there's some shading there. I happen to know from looking at the material.io site that the material components do have this shading. That's really awesome. I am super happy about this. I understand why there's a green app bar because of this primary colors. Wowie. Okay, fantastic. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me while I bumble around and figure out what the hell is going on. And I'll see you in the next one.